Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be looking at this falling wedge pattern that is forming on the 1 hourly time frame for Bitcoin. We're going to be looking at the potential targets this pattern over here can have if we will see a breakout rally towards the upside just for some relief, or if we can continue towards the downside to our next level of support. So we're going to be looking at this and much more alongside Dogecoin Day, which is apparently today. So we're going to be finding out what all of that's about in today's video. So guys, make sure to continue watching. But guys, I'm CryptoKid. Age is just a number, but so is the price of Bitcoin. So let's jump back into the price, because Bitcoin is forming this falling wedge pattern, and we're gonna get into it in just a second. But I just want to take this time and say thank you so much, guys. You are absolutely amazing. This video, it had just awesome comments, and I'm super happy that you guys loved it. It did super well, and I'm super happy. Just to tell you guys, I read every single one of your comments. I'll get to them after posting this video, but thank you so much for your support. It means the world to me, and we're gonna keep doing this awesome TA content for you guys. Today, we're not in the studio, unfortunately, because it's a little bit late, but tomorrow I have a very special guest. Hopefully, Da Vinci will be making a video with him, so make sure to turn on that notification bell if you haven't already, and we will do an awesome video together. And let me know, what do you want to ask Da Vinci, the guy who bought Bitcoin at $1, and I'll ask it to him with the best comments. So what happened yesterday was, in fact, we were talking about the price of Bitcoin yesterday, and we were forming this bearish continuation pattern, which we discussed in the video, the technical analysis video that we did make yesterday, and we broke towards the downside. Now, if you guys remember, I talked about I will potentially open a short position if Bitcoin drops below this 29.1K level. And it did. We saw a retest back to it briefly on the 1 hourly time frame, but then we continued towards the downside because this pattern, this level of support was just super important. And once we broke it, we saw a major rejection like we're seeing at the moment. Now, our first downwards profit that I did mention also as a target, a potential target, was at $28,795 right over here. And guys, we absolutely smashed this target. As you can see, we came to this level and we continued to drop even more. So I mentioned that I would open a short position at 29.1K if we drop below it. My first target would be the 28.795K as my first take profit target, and my then two second ones right after this following drop below this 28.795K level would be the 27.6 and the 26.6K. Now this is because these are very important levels of support on the 4 hourly time frame, where we had this continuation pattern for over 20 days. And as you can see, at this 27.6K, the price of Bitcoin came back down to these levels multiple times and found support. So this 27.6K will be super important for the price of Bitcoin. So this is where I'm looking at as a next potential target. But guys, remember, nothing in this video is financial advice whatsoever. This is just my own personal TA and opinions only. Make sure to come to your own conclusions and do your own TA after absorbing this knowledge. This is super important for success. So I always recommend coming to your own conclusions and doing your own research on top of what you see on YouTubers. But of course, it's very nice to see different perspectives of different analysts. It adds a lot of value to your own TA. Now, I also did a full technical breakdown on my Telegram channel, by the way, just a couple of minutes ago. So guys, make sure to join here. I share my TA before I can make a video because it's just much quicker for me, and I want to share as much value as I can with you guys. And we just hit 3,000 subscribers, by the way, over here, which is absolutely crazy. And we also hit 15,000 subscribers yesterday. God, I'm 15 and 15,000 subscribers. It feels absolutely crazy. So I'm just super grateful. Honestly, I don't know what to say. You guys are absolutely amazing. However, as I mentioned here on this Telegram channel, I do have a bullish upside target at the 29.2K. Now, this is because the falling wedge pattern is actually a bullish pattern. However, we are testing its support, and Bitcoin is also on the weekly time frame at a actually on the daily time frame at a very important level of support once again. And if you remember this macro chart, I did say I would go into a short position if we broke down from this yellow support trend line, which I did actually enter after we broke below that 29.1K level. So we are hitting a very critical range, the 20-day consolidation phase. We're entering back into this phase, and it's not looking nice whatsoever. What would be super nice is that we retest this level, and with volume, we break out even further. But so far, that's not looking like the case. We still have 5 hours and 36 minutes for this candle to close on the daily. So this is what I will be waiting for personally. Now, if we do see a break towards the upside, which looks a bit ambitious, to be honest, but if we do, I do have a long position set at the breakout of this upper trend line to the 29.2K level. And if we break the support of this falling wedge, then my next target, which I do have a conditional order set, is to the 27.6K level. Now, the reason why I open two positions actually both ways is if one of them goes wrong or is not right, then I win either way. So it's very nice, in my opinion, to have two different positions set for the long and short. It helps you out, and maybe you'll sacrifice on some gains, but at least you can try to offset your losses and make some profit on top of the one that didn't work out very well. And especially if you do very tight stop losses, you should be fine as well. But guys, this is pretty much it for Bitcoin, and I'm going to jump into the price of Dogecoin, because even though it's Dogecoin day, we actually saw a sell on Dogecoin, because I don't think Elon tweeted about it. Today was actually the Starship launch. And alongside that, people were speculating maybe he'll say something about Dogecoin while the Starship is launching or something, but so far he didn't. But the day isn't over, guys. We are getting rejected very nicely from this resistance of this symmetrical triangle though. But let's see. Again, I'm looking to long Dogecoin if we break out from this symmetrical triangle, and our target is very bullish at 18.6 cents. Well, will this happen? Then yeah, again, it depends on what Elon could say, but we do have this 14 cents level to break also, which is a super important level of support. But guys, that is it for today's video. Tomorrow, I'll be doing an awesome video, hopefully with DaVinci. So stay tuned for that. Turn on that notification bell and smash up that like button. But guys, thanks so much for watching. I'm CryptoKid. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all very, very soon. So guys, Eid Mubarak to the ones celebrating, and I'll see you all very soon. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.